In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dripify to LinkedIn. To get started, head over to Dripify and either create a new account or log into your existing one. During sign-up, Dripify will prompt you to enter your LinkedIn credentials so it can integrate directly with your profile. This is normal and part of how the tool operates. Your credentials are encrypted, which means Dripify doesn't store them in a way that gives it unrestricted access to your LinkedIn. It simply uses them to authenticate and perform approved actions on your behalf. Before you go further, it's helpful to know that Dripify supports every type of LinkedIn account, including free, premium, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter Lite. What does change is how many actions per day are safe for your account. For example, a premium or Sales Navigator plan may safely handle more connection requests and messages than a free account. Keep your account type in mind so you can set realistic expectations for volume. Next, run Dripify in the same browser session you typically use for LinkedIn. Dripify operates using your local IP and simulates actions as if you were doing them yourself. Because of that, it's best practice to minimize manual activity on LinkedIn while Dripify is running. Think of it like handing the steering wheel to the tool. Avoid clicking around LinkedIn at the same time so the behavior appears consistent and human. Once you've completed the login inside Dripify, open your Dripify dashboard to confirm the connection. You should see your LinkedIn account listed as connected. From there, you're ready to build a campaign, import leads, and let Dripify handle actions such as viewing profiles, sending connection requests, and following up with messages according to your settings. As you begin, prioritize safety. If your LinkedIn account is brand new or hasn't been very active, warm it up gradually. Start with a small number of actions per day and increase over time. Inside Dripify, use the activity control options to set daily caps for actions like connection requests and messages. This helps you stay well within safe usage and reduces the risk of LinkedIn flagging unusual behavior. Whenever possible, follow Dripify's recommended daily limits for your account type and keep a steady, predictable rhythm rather than big spikes in activity. That's it. With your account connected, a careful setup, and sensible limits, you'll be ready to automate outreach on LinkedIn efficiently and safely using Dripify.